Today on the menu we have pears.
Watch the face. Initial contact.
Maybe you, yeah.
I gave a little bit. Some more?
Rachel.
Rachel.
Oh, that's good, huh?
Yummy stuff. Is that yummy stuff? Do we like those?
I think we like those, Daddy.
They're not as yummy as sweet taters, but these are pretty yummy.
I think they might be yummier. Yes, I think we might. Oh. Just don't bother with it, honey.
Poo poo. Look at that, yeah.
Good job. A little bit yucky?
Sure, it's going to kill these things out.
Ooh, I think she likes that a lot.
Those are yummy, huh? You like pears? Hopefully these will induce some poopage. So we're not all stopped up. We don't have stopped up babies.
When she watches this in 18 years, she's going to hate you.
What's that?
For saying inducing poopage.
Poopage. That'll be back when you can still say stuff like that to a baby.
Rachel, if you're watching this in 18 years, Mommy and Daddy love you.
Say, because we're little bit poop.
Say, Daddy.
Hi.
Daddy, say something.
Hey, Poops. Boom. Say, Mommy, that's some good business. Right?
I would say that's a success.